Okay, guys, so there's another thing which is Bangladesh has won the match against Australia in the very first test match in the Darwin Stadium. And for the first time, Bangladesh defeated Australia in Australian soil after Australia invited them for a test series after 23 years. And now the drought is over for Bangladesh. They have defeated Australia. They've defeated the Kangaroos, and now they are just having 1-0 lead. And I hope that they will able to win the series 2-0. I hope so. That will be a better one for Bangladesh to defeat the mighty Australians, which has won one T20 World Cup, one World Test Championship trophy, and six World Cups in ODIs. So, anyways, bye bye.